Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the Serpentine belt on this 2008 Chevy Silverado with a 4.3 liter V6 engine. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. One thing you want to keep in mind when you're doing a Serpentine belt is which routing the belt is before you take it off. It's a good idea to take a picture with your phone if you don't have any reference of the belt. Sometimes there's a key on the vehicle itself. This vehicle does not have it. So we will take this Serpentine belt tool. We actually sell this at 1aauto.com. Slide the tool into the tensioner right here. And then there's a hose over here that's kind of in your way a little bit. So pull up on the tensioner. I'm just gonna hold this. Make sure you don't have anything in the path of this. You don't want to slip and let go of this and have it hit you in the face or anything. So when you pull up on this, we're gonna pull the belt off of this idler right here. And then we'll pull it off the alternator, pull it off the tensioner, pull it off the crank, off the water pump, off the power steering pulley, and then off the AC compressor. We'll slide this belt over the tool and pull it out. And there's the belt. A good thing to practice when you're doing this is take the new belt and line it up with the old belt. Make sure they're the same length. We don't have a new belt, so we're just going to reuse the old one. Alright, we're gonna remove this tool before we put the belt on. We'll just make it easier to maneuver the belt around position. So first we're gonna install the belt on the crank pulley. We'll slide it over the water pump, and over on the power steering pulley, up around the AC compressor. Over the water pump, we're gonna skip the idler for now because we'll put that on last. And over to the tensioner. So now that those are all lined up, I can take the belt tool, slide this in position, and put some tension on the belt. Slide this up and slide it under the idler pulley. Remove the tool. I'm going to check all the pulleys, make sure the belt is in position and hasn't jumped off any of the teeth, and that looks pretty good. And then we can just start it real quick, and then shut it off and just make sure everything is still in position.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.